And one of the ways the people in this region share their culture is through music and through the arts. And I'm here with Damir Yakubov, who is a musician here in the area. Tell me, what is your experience with cultural diversity here in the Stavropol region?
Well, it's a very multinational area, and you get a lot of influence when you actually live here. You can hear lots of music, lots of Armenian music, Georgian music, Nogay music, lots of different sort of songs. And what I like about every time I come back home, because this is my home, it's like whatever song you sing, everybody seems to know it, and people get engaged immediately, and everybody loves what happens around, and everybody's happy, and.
Do you think, and I might be asking, a musician, this might be a biased answer, but do you think music has the ability to bring people together, and do you think it helps here?
Well, absolutely. Music, I think, being a musician, I think music is the only way to bring people together, because, music is music. It's just top of every culture. You can talk for hours and never understand anything, but you can just listen to a simple song, and you get there, and a nice song with a big story. It's like maybe country western songs, but in different languages in this area.
Understand. Now, from your experience, do you think that people here really do get along? Is this something that is just on the surface, or do people really try to reach out across the table and understand each other?
I think they don't try to get along. They just get along. It's taken for granted in this area. I was never asked a question. I never had a second thought when I met another guy, maybe looking a little bit differently than I do. I would never sort of hesitate to ask a question, or sing a song, or just talk about culture, talk about things, talk about weather, anything like that. It's never been a problem to actually understand another guy or another girl from sort of different ethnic group. I was never brought up with this sort of feel that there are different ethnic groups. We're just like people of the Northern Caucasus, and we're all very happy and proud. Whenever we go, we are from Northern Caucasus.
Now, does it trouble you to think, because honestly, when people think of the Caucasus, at least on a national level, they think about a troubled area, which might not be the case here, but does it trouble you to think that other people lump you into that category?
Well, it upsets me a lot, because, I have friends all over the place, I have friends in England, I have friends in America, in Germany, in France, and whenever things happen here, they all get very worried. But I think, bad things happen everywhere. It's just the pulsation of the mankind. There are some unhappy people, and I don't understand why. Because, in my opinion, this is the area where the dream, came true. It's just a truly beautiful place, and everybody's, including myself, I'm very happy. Every time I come home, I'm very happy.
Now, in terms of the regions surrounding, Chechnya is a troubled area. It immediately borders the Stavropol region. Do you think they can learn from this area?
Well, it's a deeper question, and this is the land of the proud people, and of course we learn from each other. We learn from them, they learn from us, and. To be honest, I never treated Chechens like them or they. They like my brothers. Went to army with them, went to university, went to school, and I had a friend, Beslan. He died a long time ago, but he was the one who taught me how to play guitar, and he was my hero.
Thank you very much. Thank you for joining us. Some amazing insight. And, of course, the people here, beautiful in every way. And we look forward to sharing more experiences from the Stavropol region with you in Moscow.